My Spectrum's arrived, and there's something a little interesting in here. This. Some sort of weird little modification that links to the video. That seems to go to that one. I think it does, because it was just floating around loose. I need to find out the pin out of the actual power connector. Is it going to be a standard affair, or are we looking at something a bit different here? It's a bit manky, so this thing could do a full disassembly and a bit of a clean. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Everyone seems to use the same RF modulators. And of course you got your RAM here. Be interested to see whether this beastie works or not. Hopefully it does, or requires only minor repair. Because otherwise I'm going to be getting a few of these. Because that's the trouble. There's no supplier for spare parts. And that is needed. It's like the Electron ULAs. I need a supplier for Electron ULAs. They are always the component that goes wrong in the Electron. I don't know if they have the same unreliability issues with the Spectrum ULAs. Hopefully not. I know there's a fair few problems with the RAM, because Sinclair basically used broken RAM. That's how he got the price down of the RAM. Quite genius when you think about it. Quite evil too. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, you might want to know what type of Spectrum it is. This one, the Spectrum Plus. The one with a nice keyboard. Thanks for watching. An update on the Spectrum for all you people. No, I'm not using my tripod, look at me. Channel 1, that's the one channel I like to use. I've tuned to these things. We plug it into the cable used, and the Mega Drive power supply. And we got a horrible sound, but it lives! Perfect. Now, I'm not sure if that noise is normal, or maybe I just need to do more fine-tuning. But the keyboard isn't particularly responsive. So just when I press enter, nothing happens. Cap shift does nothing. Shift doesn't seem to do anything. That's cap shift. Edit, graph, video time. Space does nothing. We got a keyboard. Oh, hang on. Yeah, I don't know, it does nothing. But anyway, the keyboard is a bit on the bugger side, so I'm going to strip this thing completely down and then clean it. It comes from a smoker's house, so it also stinks of fag. It needs cleaning for that reason alone. Thanks for watching. I'm not really sure what to do about cleaning the motherboard. Everything else is sitting there, having been washed. And all the keys, there's a mem thing, and the keys are all down there, and they're pointed at things. Not really sure what to do about cleaning this. I think it's okay, to be honest. But it does smell a bit of fags. I've got the smell of fag out the rest of the plastic though, but that, it will not come out of that. That's annoying. And look, my room's somewhat tidy. Now, where to put all these screws for the time being? Don't know, I'll figure that out. Motherboard can stay on the desk. But yeah. And I found replacement membranes on eBay if I can't get the membrane up and running. That's all good. This specky will be fixed. As an update to the Spectrum, a new membrane has been ordered. The cleaning went well though. Still smells of fags. And so the Spectrum sat there with no new keyboard membrane. Ever prevalent, remembering the days when its keyboard membrane worked. But that was until today. The membrane has been fixed. The old one is sitting on the floor. Lovely.